Hey, I'm Ravi Khan from the Moria School, Param, Bihar. As you know, these days a major issue is COVID-19, which is spreading like a fire all over the globe, due to which many deaths have taken place and still counting on. I would like to thank all my staff members and teachers, especially Ms. Kirandeep Naran, to providing us with all these benefits and putting an effort for the betterment of the students and giving me a chance to speak upon the topic, can science and religion go hand in hand? Well, science and religion are closely interconnected in the scientific study of religion. You don't know? Let me prove. Many people think that science is totally different than religion. I really believe the evidence and support from the science, because science has come a long way and has become important for our existence in life. Science is valued by the society because of its applications of scientific knowledge, which helps in satisfy very basic human needs and improve living standards of human beings. Finding a cure for a cancer and clean up a form of energy are just two topical examples. While on the other side, religion helps in creating an ethical framework and also a regulator for values in our day-to-day life. This particular approach helps in creating a better person. Thus, religion acts as an agency of mobilization and building values like love, empathy, respect, and harmony. So, I'm neither the one nor the other. I acknowledge both scientific facts and religious beliefs. Thus, my opinion is that science without religion is lame and religion without science is blind. And at the last, I would end up my speech by saying that nobody can deter a will of a student until we have our teachers as our superheroes. Thank you so much.